Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get shift lock on Roblox Mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Roblox app on your phone. And then the thing that you have to make sure is that not all of the game actually have that particular shift lock option. So first sign in. Then once you're here in the section, you're gonna simply go ahead, go through the game section, and you're gonna be choosing yourself a game that you would like to play. And if you go through the settings, you should be able to find that option, which is the shift lock. And you can see I cannot seem to find that option right now. It's simply because this particular game creator didn't add that particular option for me to have it, and that is it. Otherwise, if you have the game set where you will be able to simply find the shift lock option, you can simply turn it on. It's not like that option doesn't exist, it's simply the game with it that might not exist likewise. So that is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.